Inside out.
Mbadde njagala kujjukira
mwana
Mirundi
nasanga omwana ekalangala nga mwana muwala nimuganja nanga nti nimugamba oyagala kusoma njagala bya mawulire ng'ebyo nti okole ki anti oyinterviewinga abantu nga ggwe Kyamuzi. Do you know that many people think that when you go to get a press conference to the president nti bakuwayo sente landlord yagoba omusajja n'omugamba nti oyina sente gwe nalabye ne Museveni kuba abuuzizza ekibuuzo
mu press conference oyo yesu tutambula Mirundi bamane mugamba twayawukana nze n'ebintu tetuyinza kuyomba ne twawukana. Mirundi yambuuza ekibuuzo juzi katono nkubye wajja okuziikira ku gundi ku Kirunda n'ojjira mu ngoye emmyufu nga waliwo vice president waliwo secretary general Rose
banfuga ki tukyogera banfuga ki bafugirewa in 10 years what have they given me even if I go to NUP I want somebody to shout.
But why did you put on red?
And I will continue in amasulti nga 10 agare
when you put on baba balozo lina NUP that's what they think.
Njagala jogeri liroza nti abana baba nawe babafuga ne babaniyamu ne babanyalamu omuganda wita kufufuga boni obutota musana. The battle should never see right. What do you give me? Tell me in 10 years what has Museveni given me? Tell it to me.
So what has NUP given you?
No.
That you put on red.
Kankubuli mwango kuvorora.
Mobila wamunga.
Sijogerwa. Kankubuli. When we are going for an election, we have 3 groups of people. We have 40% floating voters. I'm not part of the floating voters. Msangom.
Floating bebalu abatamanyiwe bagwa.
Especially in Europe. When they, they can be impeached. In Uganda, they can be 60%. Why? They have known, even if they participate in an election, the election don't represent their feelings. In Vavasu Quatam. Because when they go to our Chimayuchi, I told them Vavasu Quatam. A Yafuno to me, I eat up. It demoralizes people. Oh, category Yokubi, those who have come to consolidate. Museveni abeewo. Nga sifunyeemu. Nze ngenda from kyalo ngambe tindiko kadi yenali. Muzeeyi abeewo nga abaana tebasoma. Am I fool? Am I fool? If the president has now understood that the fake, the tape was fake. Ayakadira nkomewo. Omukani niye mu kipati kyaki niye mu kipati. Omukani yongera kinyala mu kinyamu.
Mirundi wogamba bulijjo timuyanga you don't know your value.
The second point, I also want to change. Oyinza okumbali mbagala change. Yes.
Do you want change?
Yes.
From Museveni.
Am I going to die a pauper? Kuba sijja kutulana abantu abanjoga ntule nabo. Abanyono ndende byange.
So yagala Museveni have
there is no way you get it 50-50.
Where is your investment, Mirundi? Where have you invested?
Nedda.
Museveni wagendo. Are you sure of the next government? Are you sure of the next government?
Me, I'm too good to be true. Sijoga was sinimbwamu. Sinza koma.
Nayanti boyamba ofana ne mufumbira omwogezi w'ekibiina.
I will continue for different good. I can even visit good. What have you given me in the last 10 years to dictate on what I should put on? Abasajja bania.
Mirundi tumalirize. So, osazeewo okupromotinga NUP.
Even if, who controls it? How much money have I received from government? Even my mother, who was injured by Baganda rioters, has never received a coin from myself. Internet, a joke they don't want him, his children, generation in that. Nakana.
Tekinyiza mukwano gw'omuhoozi gwe wazimba gwe wapromoting
because it's a family battle. Even Muhoozi does not give him money. But ninokutenda banjoge ntule n'omuko atandika okudictatinga remove that on sijja kukikkiriza omuko taliddamu kunywa ku bantu banyaala ajja kuteegula n'envunza zijja mu lulimi alitambulirako mu kagaali k'abalema ejjogero lyazaniyo ku bantu n'abanyaala bakataga n'abaniako balumba n'abaniako neyewaana I feel the kataka backward. How can a man who sleeps in his son defeat me? He must go back as a district. Did your father-in-law recruit a district? Very, very arrogant, inflated, arrogant. The man needs to be tamed. They cannot talk to him.
Okay. Ebintu ebikunyiiza biba bizibu nnyo kubanga Mirundi tomanyi bintu bitegeeza olumbo olwo kwaliko abantu emitwalo ngenda nga buli abuuza kimu lwaki mukwano gwayambadde red
ani yampadde sente ani yazimpadde
ye Bobi Wine yakuwa
ate omusajja gwesobolangako nyinza omuga nti mulyaza amaanyi ulira
kati omukolera otya nga takumanyi
Bobi Wine musajja eniye y'abano
you know nti aba NUP bonna baati olumbo olwo gwe waliwo ng'owa NUP
eniye y'abano si ye ya Bobi Wine bano banya buli mugezi yenna ne bamuniyamu omulenzi n'atuniyamu amalutuniako ennagisi sezalawe n'atukanyuka kumayirikiti.
So you think if Bobi Wine became president, you have space in his government?
Bobi Wine cannot become a president, but omubi akiri ewatali omubi akiri ewatali. I told you the police is the interest of Museveni to protect Bobi Wine. Why? If you buy everybody, you will face the Kenyan good. Once every educated person, disabled person is bought, what happens? You bring if you don't bring a coup, you bring a headless revolution. Ayogedde nabo basala bazene mugundi zisemenye nti ogobera police we Kenya buhuru ya humiliate omusajja bamuyita Sonko yali gavana we Nairobi Sonko yekamaka w'abayali ngubuli ekyobulabira kekirala abasajja ba green boot bana abasala mu nguudo nga bakajja abasajja babakubirisi abana bafe banasoma. We want a meeting with him. The representative of thieves met a representative of a delegation of green board.
Representative of thieves?
Yes. And they agreed as follows. Your boys must go early so that also hours work. How about the never speed boat? Never speed boat.
And doing a multiplex yajisikira.
Temuba ali bana bafite tunyonyola. Ate babaga nti mutwogere mukubire police gumwana wasomerawo ne bababulira twatuseeyo mutukwate mulala. A delegation of thieves.
Meeting yes. A delegation of yes. A contractor, yes. A parking contractor.
Kubanga nga bajja ati akatala bakajjeeko ate omwana we ali wano sekankubuli nga tumanyi kibuga kyo nze if they steal your phone over something valuable nkubuuza area kamanda waawe yani mbamanyi Kampala was divided into different areas by the thieves.
Kati Mirundi sikutegedde Museveni oyagala agende Muhoozi obuuza kyakuwadde ngamba olinda obwa president bwa Bobi Wine ngamba Bobi Wine cannot be president kyeki muganda okuba president ng'alina mass support.
But no, you see Bobi Wine needs support.
Againinze rale zo ziraba yatambulamu ennaku ssatu abantu musanvu ne bafa.
Buli muntu atalina kyakola ajja. Crowds are made. I want to tell you. Crowds are made. N'okuzanyisa kamera naki. Era nabagamba mulowooza nti Museveni tajja backward bampuuga baani n'okubalala ey'amaanyi Masaka n'okuba eyannamuyo you are provoking him. Museveni sayagala ya provocation. Ayagala to go to him in a human way. But humiliating. They grilled me the first time. I'm a man over 70 years. Now I'm getting a chemical. 18 years ago. Let me take this money for my activity.
Why can't? Why?
Nobody move. No reason. No. nesita abantu 20. Let them leave me alone to do my own things. You cannot find a woman in a bar dancing with other people and start quarreling. Is he yours? Are
you looking for Museveni?
No.
Do you want to meet him?
I don't want to meet him. Museveni knows where I am. I was with him for 14 years.
Do you want to buy land or construct a house? Worry no more. Boss Land Estates is here to serve you. We offer services in selling land on different roads that link you to Kampala City, land surveying, land title processing, letters of administration processing, general construction works, and property management. We allow payments in installments. Our plots of land are prime and are near main tarmac roads. Prices are affordable. Inspection is free. For more packages, call 0777 490 785. WhatsApp 0704 699 388 or visit our offices at Ham Towers, Level 4, Suite number HT54, opposite Makerere University, Main Gate. Boss Land Estates, we guide you home.
He greeted me and said to me, like I was abandoned out of state. I was like a chicken shit.
Do you think he knows your predicament? Does he know you are suffering?
No. Suffering? How many people? Politics.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Would you like to meet him? oyagala kusisinkana Museveni. Do you want to meet him? Okumubulira embeera yo. You are suffering, your mother is abandoned, teyafuna kagaati.
Sijagendayo.
Sana kuyamba.
I had a chance of
how should he help you?
Halikiyu. Nesira kujogebwa baana bano myaka 10 nga kazunza lutwe. Bebasokola abantu. Bebati abantu ebweru. Nze ne baleeta mulani. Njisi babumu njimira ntugenda fenna. Njimira. And I'm not seeing any solution because I never talk to them. Whoever calls us for the consultation meeting must put a DNA expert to separate our
Do you think they want to talk to you?
Hey.
Abaganda
I want to apologize. Why now? What are the 10 years I've suffered? Tell me a person who has not been around.
Everybody was had an issue and met Museveni has had it solved. One of them is Bukenya.
Which?
Bukenya.
Don't Fabaganda, ekisajja ekikulu, ekiterina magezi tukite kiwutta.
Ki?
Ekisajja ekikulu ekiterina magezi. Tuliyita gege oba ekiwutta. Kiba kiwutta. Can I become ekiwutta?
Is it wrong to apologize?
To apologize to who? What did I do? They faked a tape to protect their business. I've completed this way it is.
Okay, how about an opportunity to explain it to him? What is better? What's better? To die poor or sacrifice your arrogance and die?
I cannot die poor, but I will never go back. Those who lost the star, they were diverted to a king who wanted to kill Jesus. The same way, Amelia diverted me from the veranda of heaven. Now, after 10 years, 24 years, I'm going back to where Amelia found me, where I lost my star.
Politically, as a political scientist, where does NUP stand after the Bobby Wine Mpuga battle?
You see, Mpuga is a stupid man. Very stupid. You must be appreciative. Until much I curse, much I blame God for sending me to State House, much I hate Amelia for taking me Jahannama. Only on Konya. Ania Kubantu Kubaba Nabane.
You call the state house Jahannama.
Kakati. Yes. Kakati Kango. You still appreciate. See, Motoka Yajireka, Naye Yambai, Navaskari Navareka. Do you think the first thing a woman does is throw to you your ring? Abantu abakula emotoka emunya bwe. Why? Oyinza tugende omukulu w'essomero ng'oli mu UC musaba bbanja omwana waasoma. Nti ekolo waserefana
nga wavuze UC
nga bakuga oyazikaba obuganda.
But why would you drive in the UC to go to kusomera okwewozaako ga school fees?
Ezo muwanga tegeera olwaleero tuziyita siro engijo. Embuzi tugisibe watali muddo yafe
okwewozaako
okusalwanakomawo ng'aniirye ye maasi kamuno yuziri nsoera amazzi ekiroko ly'omulenzi oyo lirina omugwamu.
Ogamba bulijjo nti Abaganda bali mu kuteeka position yaabwe mu political space. They are looking at Mpuuga as that new upcoming politician for Buganda.
A man who says marijuana smoker and drunkard is basically the first person to talk Museveni. Is he a marijuana smoker?
Tanywa.
Is he muntu marijuana smoker?
No, tanywa.
Kakati uyu Mpuuga alizoningira mwanasi. I'm telling you, Mpuuga uses the honest to reason. How long does it take a woman, a married woman, to know that my husband is a thief or is a cannibal? When did Bobby Wine realize that? When did Mpuuga realize that Bobby Wine? Onani okuvantu abakozesa abawase onani okuvantu
wangamba gwekenyini Mirundi
ani akubantu abakozesa
njagala ompulirizo nnyonnyole wangamba nti Museveni abamuganda tebamutegeera lwaki kubanga abeera soba 24/7. Mpuuga kyabaddaga nti okulwanyisa omusajja abeera soba naawe weetaaga okubeera soba.
Babazanya omwe
tanywa
negisi oyo Mpuuga era ebyo omuganda yabyogera ebyo birekere muganda. Do you have any politician from North Banyankole to speak that rubbish?
No.
And well, if you can abuse where a person who has accommodated you, who will trust you in the future? And so ayagala antole naye baddemu banniemu nakkiriza
battle y'abantu bano ababiri abalina credentials
yanzita ne family yange ngitwala mu jahannam.
Tutunulira abantu bano ababiri bonna balina credentials ezimu. Bobi Wine Mpuuga Baganda Bakatuliki tolaba mu nsobi ya Bobi Wine.
What has Mpuuga sacrificed? In politics you must sacrifice. They close bond Bobi Wine's galahs. Very important.
Takuba bivulu.
If you have never sacrificed nange njagana kano n'oluferwako kakuzaaba temubanzite kati mubbawo ajja kuweddalo permanent madness oba enyondo ejja kuba entwe yako bayas foiko parts nkakubera eddala entwe yaako okuzaaba temubanzite
kyetaagisa Bobi Wine okukakanya Mpuuga amuze mu kibiina.
Tamwagala yagudde dda
tamwetaaga anti waliwo butamwana obutamwetaaga.
Mpuuga tayina. Bobi Wine alemedde ku nsonga. Bobi Wine bamukubye tiyagaasa asinga ono Mpuuga emmolo nti kubanga omaze okubba ssente mu gundi mu parliament kanzirukire wa Museveni. If you deny responsibility of a pregnancy, it does not grow.
Ozaalibwa buddu nga te Mpuuga avudde
yali agudde
n'okwenaaba n'amaanyi erudde eyo.
Mpuuga yali agudde omwana yali amukubye aladisiweera akaayi era okutegeera nti Mpuuga mmolo bombi ne mukasambidde bayimirirawo ne bagamba tango dwe yagamba tetufunye wayenale. These are morals. Ffe tukugamba nti kapa bwe bayagala okukuba amagunju ekapa ensajja eyekweka n'ebiboggolera amagunju tegadda kati nalyo egunju lye Mpuuga ali bwatu. It is an interest of every Ugandan to protect Bobi Wine. And I want to tell you, abaana bawala obalaba.
Do you know what you have said?
Yes.
That it is the interest of every Ugandan,
yes,
to protect Bobi Wine.
Yes. Kubanga abayaye bajja kujja ku street. Ali abakontrolinga, empuga abakontrolinga. But ate kinuma basajja bano funi amuna kunyalamu. Basoka kuba byange. Abatalina kye bampadde. Ekidoli ekyokunyamu obunyamu n'ekipoti. Basoka kuba bye bampadde.
Ensema nga tolina kyoyina bayo. Yakusonyiwa tolina kyoyina. Tewali alikuba bintu byo.
Bajja bitukuba. Kano ke kabadde ne Museveni. Nyango bakuba wano. Siribaddamu. Abasajja baniya.
So wayagala okwesimba ku bwembi. You said you'd stand as MP. Are you going to stand in NUP?
Nze mmanyi. But not in area. This is assured, not in area.
Then you can't win. Yeah. You are either in NUP or in area.
Jengendo kwesimba kwegamba. Nagambye Katumba Wamala nti Abaganda ambasase. Mukwezage eyalete ekintu ki. Ye kwezi kati gwe marketing. Do you know that abantu bajja kubula sente tekagenda mbasa motoka? Enamba zikwama wakanga bavumana. Ye Katumba Wamala bamutise emiso gy'embizi agitunda ebutambula.
Inside out. Bakwasa mutwe Mirundi. Sebo tweyaziza tweyanze. Kale. Thank you. Kale Joseph Tamale Mirundi mutani wa Rwanda Mirundi mbole n'amatopu nze bwe muleka mwenti oludde okutuleta Mirundi bwembeera naye nti ate gwe omusajja omusumbu wanda ayogera n'ebiri eno bweti bwe tumalisa olwaleero zessa Simon Muyanga Lutaya.
This is Inside Out.